Let's go.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Kelly and this is Sam, and today we are doing something very exciting. As you guys know, or if you guys have been keeping up with us, we had a Thor sanctuary which we just switched and got this new Entegra launch. On our Thor we did upgrade the wheels and tires.
Yes.
We removed it and now we're going to place it onto this bad boy and make it look so much better, so much cleaner, and a little bit more rugged.
Yeah, a little more rugged, a little more off-road, I think. I think we're gonna, this one's gonna be a little bit more worked on. I think we're gonna put a little bit more effort in this one.
Yeah, I mean, we have all the stuff that you want to do to it, like all of the mods. Is it called mods? Because I know, like on a car, you mod.
Yeah, I mean, it's the same thing as mods.
Yeah.
I mean, we have
Everything.
99% of the parts here.
It's just having to actually do it now, right?
Finding the time to do it's been a little difficult. Plus the heat here is like, it's horrible. And the hurricane.
Oh yeah, we were down one whole week for the hurricane. The week prior, we were in Cape Coral, Florida for vacation, which was pretty fun.
Yeah.
But coming back, it was chaotic and very exhausting.
Needs to be done. I mean, the wheels and tires that came on this one is decent. It was way better than the factory ones from the Thor Sanctuary. They're actually decent size, but it's just not doing the job for me at least.
Yeah.
So we need our wheels and tires back on here first, and then we'll look into the rest of the suspension upgrades and stuff.
Yeah.
Difference.
Do 245s and 265s. Is it gonna rub in front? I have to pull the flap, mud flap real quick.